Okay guys, so you can see I am at CVS once again this week. I think this is like my third trip at CVS. I'm probably gonna make another one or two. But guys, it's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and CVS is on fire with these little deals today, or this week rather. It's not a whole bunch of big deals, but it's a lot of little deals. You just have to take the time to put them together. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to show you guys a snuggle deal that I'm going to do. I'm going to get back some CRTs. You guys know I love my laundry products. I mainly like Tide and Gain, but we're not going to be able to do that. We're going to have to do snuggles. So let's head in and let's do our deal. Okay guys, so the deal we're going to do is spend $20 on select Scott Snuggle products, and you're going to get $5 back in extra bucks. So the first item we're going to get are these beads here, the Snuggle Beads. You can see they are part of the promotion. Spend 20, get 5, and they are $2.99. There's all different type of products you can get, but we're going to get this, and we're going to use the $2 off coupon, which means we're going to pay 99 cents at the register. And you can use 4 like coupons in one transaction, but they only have one of the beads. So I'm just going to grab the one beads, and we're going to move on to the next Snuggle product. So now I'm going to get some of the Snuggle dryer sheets. You can either get the blue ones or you can get the purple ones. The purple ones they're all $2.99. Whether you get the purple ones or the blue ones, it doesn't matter. But the difference is the blue ones have 80 sheets in them, and the purple ones only have 70 sheets. So they're both $2.99, and you see they are part of the deal. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab the blue ones. I'm going to get as many as I can. So there's a total of 4. So those are the 4 that I'm going to get. I'm actually going to get a total of 7 products to take us over the $20 threshold. We're going to use this coupon, and it is for $1.50 off. And again, you can use 4 like coupons in one transaction at CVS. So that's going to be $1.50 at the register. I think I might grab these purple ones too. No, I'm going to put these back because they have a cut in the box. So I'm going to go without those. But I'm going to get these, the Snuggle fabric softener. That is also a part of the deal for $2.99. The spend 20, get 5. And I'm going to actually grab 2 of those. I'm going to use this $1.50 coupon. And I'm going to do a separate transaction for these because remember, you can only use 4 like coupons in one transaction. I'm going to use 4 of that $1.50 coupon on the dryer sheets. So that's why I'm going to separate my transactions, and I'm going to do these fabric softeners in one transaction. And I'm going to use the beads also in that transaction. So I'm going to do those 3 in one transaction. Then I'm going to do the 4 dryer sheets in the other transaction. So those are the 2 transactions that we're going to do, and our total is going to come up to like a little over $20 so that we can get back our $5 in extra bucks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so let's review the receipt. So the first thing I bought was the Snuggle Beads, and then I bought the 2 Snuggle fabric softeners. You see they were all $2.99. Then let's see what came off. So the $2 manufacturer coupon came off for the beads, and then the $1.50 manufacturer coupon came off for the softener. So I paid $3.97 for that. That was the first transaction. And you can see that it's tracking to get the $5 in extra bucks. So it says I spent $8.97 towards the $20, because remember, it takes the amount of the regular price before the coupons. So now the second transaction, I got the 4 boxes of dryer sheets. You see they were each $2.99. And I got the 80 count. I put the purple box back because that had a cut in it. So there you see 4 $1.50 coupons came off of that, which brought my total down to $5.96. And I did receive the $5 in extra bucks because I was over the $20 threshold. So when you add those together, that comes to $9.93. But then when you take out the $5 in extra bucks, that means I paid $4.93 for 7 items, for 7 things a Snuggle. So if you do the math, that's 70 cents for each product a Snuggle. Guys, I'd say that's a great laundry deal. So go out, get your Snuggle products, get your $5 in extra bucks, and as always, keep on saving.